Here's what's inside the box of Pureit Classic Water Purifier. User's Manual. The lower part and the upper part of the device. Remove the plastic cover of all the parts. The bellow pump can be found inside the microfiber mesh. And the activated carbon trap is inside the upper part of the device. Upon opening, carbon residues may be found inside the upper part. It can be removed easily by washing. The germ kill life indicator is already installed on the device, and the carbon polisher can be found inside the lower part of the device. Pureit. Switch now to safer water.